How cute was that? அந்த படத்தை நீங்க ரசிச்சு பார்த்து கை தட்டி ரொமான்டிக்கா ஃபீல் பண்ணீங்கன்னா please give them a big round of applause. What a cult film it was. ரெண்டே ரெண்டு dialogue. No, not so much. Not so much. Okay.
அவ்வளவுதானா?
வேற என்ன?
சும்மா 4 வார்த்தை முடிஞ்ச ஒரு கப் காஃபி. பேர் என்ன? என்ன பண்ற?
நான் இன்னும் என் பேர் சொல்லல.
சொல்லு.
சந்தோஷ். உன் பேரு?
ஹாசினி.
Not visited us in many years, so the Tamil audiences are slightly mad at you because we love you so much.
I love everyone very much, but I got married and then I had children, so I was looking after them. I actually haven't done a film in a while, but I would love to.
I know, we would love to see you back on screens, especially in a Tamil film, but you're here for your dear friend, almost like an extended family member as well. What would you like to say to him on this occasion?
So when I first did Santosh Subramaniam, Ravi and me were like these two students with Raja who would not understand what Raja is saying and why he was getting angry with us half the time. And then Ravi would be like, Anna, what's going on? This was a perpetual line on set, you know. But from there to here, I've seen him, I've seen Ravi through all these years. And from the bottom of my heart, I think you're just going to grow. And I wish you all the love because you are a lovely person. You need to believe that you are amazing because we think you are amazing. And both Ritesh and me, the moment we knew you were starting something like this, there was no chance we weren't being here. Honestly, you're directing now, so you'll have me somewhere on sets yelling over there to trouble you a bit. But I just want to wish you all the best, Ravi. You're a very special boy and a very special actor. And now you're making a whole industry, and I'm sure a whole lot of people will benefit from you. Just like how I benefited from your brother, from your family. I had your mom with us. I remember the New Zealand schedule together. Of course, we had a lot of fights. It's not all love. We've always fought, but we come back to being those close people, and I think that's what matters in life.
Who initiates those fights and who ends
Me.
it?
Only.
And he's not at all surprised. He's like, yeah, ye to roz ki baat hai.
I think in a relationship when there's an argument, if one person is speaking, the other one should just listen. And the listening part is always done by me.
I want to just make this moment a lot more special and memorable. So Ravi Avarkale, can we request you to just come up on stage?
Congratulate Ravi on this wonderful, momentous journey that he has embarked on. After being an actor for more than 2 decades, more than 2 decades, 22 years, and almost the same, 22, 23 years. But the love that you have got from people, your audiences, and everyone across the world is immense. And we wish you all the best. Like the lion on your logo, may you roar at the box office with every production that you do. You are taking on the momentous journey of making 10 films and also introducing musical talents, and wish you all the love, all the luck, brother. And I'm just happy to see you know, all the wonderful actors who I have admired right here. Shivanna is here, Karthik is here. So, you know, it's just wonderful to see all of you. And my colleague from Maharashtra, Upendra Upi, is here. And I'm so glad to see, you know, bridges being met and talent across industries come here. So, more power to you and love to everyone. And thank you so much. It's always a pleasure being here.
Yeah, all our best wishes to the entire cast and crew of Bro Code as well. It's always a team. It's always a team. We're always a team with you.
Fabulous, fabulous. Now, I just would like to borrow Genelia for a couple of minutes.
course.
Because பல வருஷத்துக்கு அப்புறம் அவங்க சென்னை வந்திருக்காங்க. Do you know a little bit of Tamil? Has she managed to teach you any?
No, but
We'll teach you. We'll teach you by
Please,
the end of it.
I'll go down and see it.
பட் பல வருஷத்துக்கு அப்புறம் இவங்க சென்னை வந்திருக்காங்க அண்ட் ஆஃப்டர் அ வெரி லாங் டைம் ரெண்டு பேருமே ஸ்டேஜில் நின்றுக்கிட்டு இருக்காங்க ரவி அவர்கள் அண்ட் ஜெனிலியா அவர்கள் ஸோ எவ்ரிபடிஸ் மைண்ட் ஹேஸ் அ ஃப்ளாஷ்பேக் கோயிங் டு சந்தோஷ் சுப்ரமணியம் கரெக்டா இல்லையா எப்பா ப்ராப்பர் எடுத்துட்டு வாங்கப்பா So we just want to recreate a cute moment between two lovely friends. Yeah? And Ritesh is just standing there in a corner, completely forgotten. Acha, you have the best view. Okay. All right. Okay. How cute was that? அந்த படத்தை நீங்க ரசிச்சு பார்த்து கை தட்டி ரொமான்டிக்கா ஃபீல் பண்ணீங்கன்னா please give them a big round of applause. What a cult film it was. ரெண்டே ரெண்டு dialogue. No, not so much. Not so much. Okay.
அவ்வளோதானா
வேற என்ன
சும்மா 4 வார்த்தை முடிஞ்ச ஒரு கப் காஃபி உன் பேர் என்ன என்ன பண்ற
நான் இன்னும் என் பேர் சொல்லல
சொல்லு
சந்தோஷ் உன் பேரு
ஹாசினி